Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first ever attempt at making a video. So I bought this new iPhone 14 Pro Max. So I'm going to start by unboxing this as my first video, and after this you'll get more videos thereafter. So let's start unboxing. The box is pretty good, really nice quality as usual. And let's start by peeling off the security tag. Hopefully that should be good to go. So let's peel it off. There's one on the bottom as well. So let's and time to see what appears out of the box. And whoa, it's open. And ta-da! So I've gone with the unique purple color. It's pretty nice. It's almost like a matte purple, almost gray, dark gray tint. I can see the purple. The camera lens and the camera housing is more purple than the whole body of the phone. And let's see what's inside. So I'll just put this box away. So this is my first video, so I'm just trying my best. Just love the passion. And yep, you're getting this cover. It's gonna reveal the screen, and wow, looks pretty good. I guess I should be opening this first, right? So it's pretty nice. The metallic bands are metallic side. It's pretty good, nice, and almost not. It's not in your face purple. Actually, I haven't seen this phone before, so this is the first time seeing it in flesh. According to the light, it almost looks grayish, purplish. Purples, yeah, not too girly purple. Perfect. Color schema. Okay, so I'll put this phone aside. Start it on afterwards. Let's check what else we get in the case. Okay, get a, what is this? This is an Apple sticker. Let's put it aside. And whoa, okay, there's all this. I'm guessing that's all the warranty manuals, so I'll put that aside for now. With this paper, you get a SIM card tray, and yep, the safety and handling guidelines. I guess it's a quick start guide. So you get this, we'll put that aside. What else do we get inside? Just designed by Apple, pretty nice. And yeah, since they've removed the chargers, you get a lightning cable, and this end is just USB-C. So yep, I'll put that aside as well. Pretty much an empty box now. So how about I just place this here and close it, and the phone is unboxed. Pretty quick and sweet. Let's start by just starting it. So I'll just move this all aside now, place it here, and moment of truth. Start it. There we go. You can see I'm recording also as well using an iPhone. That's the old one, but wow, great. So I guess it needs my SIM card and everything, which I don't have right now. So what I'll do is, let's start. Yep, I'll set it up at least now. So English, yep, United Kingdom, and that's it. I guess we can start after choosing network. So yeah, it's pretty much just setting up. So I'll do this shortly, and I'll come back to you on the next video with how the interface is like. So just give you a brief overview of how the phone is looking like up close. It's pretty nice. No fingerprints as such. I don't see any fingerprints happening, which is really good. Camera module is pretty nice as well. And in terms of the colors, and when you're getting fresh light, fresh daylight from the outside. It's pretty good. And yeah, the switch is standard. SIM card tray. Over here you get 2 speakers, charging port, powering button, and yeah, pretty standard as the last iterations. But main thing is this little notch. I saw the previous leaks and it had this little gap, but it seems like it's fixed and you kind of have to live with this. Other than that, let's see, yeah, it's pretty standard. So yeah, I hope you have liked my video. Oh, it's restarted again. So I hope you have liked my video, and this is my first one, so give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and motivate me to make more videos out of this and into the future. I'm really liking the tech, and I'm coming from a tech background, so hopefully you'll see more from me in the future. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video, where hopefully we'll walk through the phone, the new iOS 16, and the camera quality, the battery test. I have a few older iPhones, so I'll probably test. I have a 14 Pro and I have a 13 Pro Max and a 13 Pro, so we'll hopefully test the battery against this new 14 Pro Max and see if it has improved. So yeah, catch you guys later. See ya.